I will do good for you. I'm not going to that for you, sir. Don't shout for me. I will respect you. I will do everything for you. I'm not saying that I am good everything. I'm sorry. You do my way up. What to hear me? 1 million. I will do my good work for you. Madam, I am doing that. I'm a warrior. I'm a good position. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sorry. Wait. I'm coming for Nigeria. Sir, we didn't get much wow. Continue by Saudi Arabia. Don't know what. Everybody knows too much to my mouth. Everybody. You know what you say? Sir, you never know to my friend and say, no, I don't sound. I don't want to sound that.
Please, Governor, I beg. Name of Allah.
I take it something to me. Tell them, you know. What I want to tell you. Tell you, I live. More opportunity. I don't. There's one point in the even kill me. I will kill all family. Not that you can bear.
No, Babalawo, you know, the government.
If you go Babalawo, I mean, I will call it.
How you do?
You say that everything what they say. If you call me, I will call it. In Nigeria now, even if you don't know it, I will explain. I will call it now. Wait, let me see. No. Oh my God, I didn't get out of my own. I don't want to see. Get on my office. If I see you, I will kill you everybody. Give me money, sir. Nigeria is we are going to use our bag. If you don't want that, then it's 1 million. Then we go 1 million. We talk about it. Immediately, I figure out Nigeria. Mr. Governor of Nigeria, State of America. If you want to buy me for it, I'll kill you. Your family will see your body, the go crimes, you have everything, you see me. I'm not anything in Nigeria. I mean, I'm going to you, man. Yeah, I will kill yourself. I will go my own. I will see my own. Yeah, I will get now. I get me now. I'm not saying I'm something to put why I put them in. I'm saying, Mamma, I want to die. Go for you. When you want it, Mamma, I want to go for you. And then that one. No, say, what did I make it? No, I'm going to sell it to you. What did I make it? I like it. I just saw it. Sorry. So I can move. What did I make it? Say, I also got my before you make it. Say, but I didn't look at what no, think about that Nigeria. I am a governor. I am Mr. Governor of Nigeria. I am a contest. I am about the contest. If you don't see me, if you tell me, I go kill you now. Yeah, we want to kill me. I am about Tinubu, I am a child of Baba Tinubu. I swear to God, I am a fast Tinubu. Go down. Come up. If you see me, I am not finding out. If you see me, I'm here. PA, where is the PA? You give me, I will kill you. No. Look at the nation. No. Baba tell me, oh, Baba, look back. Yeah, you must look back. See, I will see you now.
Another government. I'm a governor of Nigeria. Okay. I am a